Kids presents Clean Up.
Hey kids, it's time to tidy up. Let's sing together while we clean our room. Are you ready, Tre and Leila? Toys up, clean up, everybody do your share. Toys on the floor, blocks over there. Let's pick them up, show we care. Put the cars in the box, the dolls in a row. When we clean together, the fun will grow. Clean up, everybody do your share. Clean up, everybody do your share. Books on the shelf, crayons in the tray. We'll find our stuff much faster this way. Teddy's on the bed, the train's in the bin. Now our room looks great, let's grin. Clean up, everybody do your share. Clean up, everybody do your share. Who's got the blocks? I'll put them away. Who's got the trucks? They're cleaned up today. Who's got the puzzles? I'll stack them high. Who's got the crayons? They're nice and dry. Now the floor is clear, hooray, hooray. We worked as a team and had a fun day. Mom and Dad will smile and say, you did your best in every way. Clean up, everybody do your share. 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 Wow, look at that clean room! Great job, everybody! Now it's time to play again. After we clean, we can dream.